Hi, so in this video, we're going to discuss AudioSuite plugins and why you should use them. So over here, I have an audio track. Let me play for you guys. So we're going to be using the CLA 76 plugin. It's on bypass. Let's turn it on. Without it, so if you're going to send this off, there's a couple of things you can do. You can print this track, or you can do it this way. You can go to AudioSuite. Now we're going to look for waves. So let's go all the way down here, waves audio, and let's locate the CLA 76 stereo. There you go. Now I have a preset that loads whenever I open this plugin. The plugin on the track itself, totally different. If you want, you can set this up manually, but why you want to do that? All you got to do, select the plugin, Control-Shift-C, Control-Shift-V, and it's going to paste your settings. So let's get rid of that. So another reason you want to use AudioSuite plugins, how many of you guys remember the whole delay compensation issue with Pro Tools? It wasn't that long ago when we had to deal with delay compensation. So now that we finally have it, you might still run into a plugin that probably has a lot of delay and Pro Tools can't keep up with it. So what happens, you put the plugin on, that track is super delayed. A lot of these plugins introduce delays, especially when you stack plugins. Pro Tools and other DAWs out there do a pretty good job on fixing that. But just in case you do have that one specific plugin that Pro Tools can't compensate for, and the way you can tell, go to the mixer window over here, DOI, delay. So how do we get that? You click this option here. You want to select this, delay compensation. If it's not selected, you won't see it. Very simple. And right here, it's going to give you the numbers that you need. So what would you do if you have an EQ, a compressor, and two other plugins, and then you finally introduce that one plugin that you need? Maybe it's a plugin that's going to repair pops and clicks, and it has a lot of delay. What you do is you disable all the other plugins and just print that one plugin. And then you turn on all the other plugins, and you should be fine. That's what I do. Also, remember to turn on delay compensation. So you go to Options, Delay Compensation. Make sure that's turned on. So I hope you got something out of this video. If you have any questions, and if I missed anything, let me know. If you need to get a hold of me, check the description. My email will be there.